Doing welcome once again to Digital Wealth Academy. Now in this video I'll be showing you how to get up to 200 new contacts on WhatsApp daily, meaning for your WhatsApp status view. And for those who are into digital marketing, especially with WhatsApp, basically you need status view. You need people to see your status, to see the projects you are into or whatever you are marketing, because the more viewers, the more people would indicate interest, the more sales you make. Now, a whole lot of people pay money to join contact gain groups, and people pay for apps. Well, those work a whole lot also, especially when you have a target audience. But with these, you can get to also get up to 200 contacts daily, and this is totally free, and that's the beautiful part of it. Now I'm going to show you how you do it. Now, first of all, you need to go to a site. Now, what is the purpose of this site? This site basically is a meeting point for people who need contacts. Okay, so first of all, I'll paste the site address so you can see it on my screen. The link to this site also will be in the description. That is whatsappviews.com. You can see it, WASSAPVIEWS, whatsappviews.com. So I'm going to log into this site right now. Now, when I log in here, you can see this point where they wrote submit entry, meaning you can submit your contacts. Okay, so this site accumulates contacts for people, and every 9 p.m. that's Nigerian time, every 9 p.m. that is Nigerian time, you can download the contacts for the day. So meaning you submit your name here, okay, or you submit your name and your phone number. It is saved in a VCF file, and every 9 p.m. the VCF file is uploaded. Then you can now come back and download. So as you can see, this is just like 7 minutes after 8 p.m. over here. So meaning I'm still here early. I'll click on submit entry. So there's the free package and there's the paid package, free and premium. So premium basically would cost just, I think, about 200 naira. Yeah, a little amount, but with the free you can do a lot. The only limitation with the free is the characters you can use for your name is just 8 characters. So let's say you want to customize a name, for example, like myself, that let's say I want to customize my name to Digital Wealth Academy, which I would love naturally, so that anybody who is saving my contact from my name alone, the person will take my status views serious. Because another thing with status views, for those who have been watching my videos about contact gain groups, the names you submit for a contact gain will also determine how people will take you. So your business name or what you do or the value you have to offer should also be part of the name you submit. So once somebody sees something like, for example, Wealth Coach Alex, and you post a status, the person will want to like, okay, this guy is called Wealth Coach, meaning he has something to really offer. It's a psychological thing also. But with the free package, you do not have the opportunity to do that. So you have only 8 characters. So at this point, what can I do? Let me just figure out the name. Okay, let me just use a name, for example, like Crypto LD, since I have just 8 characters, the limitation of a free package. But the premium package would cost you like 200 naira. I don't know the dollar value or based on the country. So I haven't put this Crypto LD, Crypto Lord, for example, because I do post some updates on crypto as well as Forex. So mind you, if you're not yet in our Digital Wealth Academy, you are missing out big time. So hit the link in the description to join the Digital Wealth Academy. There you have access to a whole lot of materials like this, okay? Free information, free content that would help you change your finances, content including, digital marketing, Forex trading, and crypto trading as well. It's a power-filled community. So at this point, you can choose your you can select your phone number. So you submit your phone number. I would want to use my UK line, so I'll just pick my pick UK. So if you're in Nigeria, you pick your country and all that. So I'll put my UK phone number here. So let me just pause the video. Okay, so I've done that, and I'll just hit on submit. So now once you hit on submit, come here. There is a code here or a password. This password, you either save it or screenshot it, because when you come back by 9 p.m., so once it's 9 or after 9, I'll come back here to show you how to download the VCF file. So once you come back here by 9 p.m., you would need this code to be able to download it. They'll ask you for the code. So I'm just going to screenshot this right now. All right, so that no matter what happens, I won't be stranded. So that is it. Now, how does this WhatsApp Views website work? Basically, somebody has seen that there is a problem and he has decided to create a solution. And this is what we call about creativity. Okay, now people are out there looking for contacts. People join different contacts game group, and he has like, okay, why don't I just create a website where anybody in any part of the world can come on a daily basis? They submit their contacts. So all those who submitted that day, we'll put it in a VCF file. We upload it on the site. By 9 p.m., they can come here, download it. In other words, it makes the work easier. Because you know how WhatsApp works. I need to save your contact. You need to save my contacts, right? Then we'll see each other's status. So if everybody does this, everybody's number is saved on everybody's phone, we can now see each other's status. So you need to be doing this every day so that like every blessed day, you get to have new contacts, new contacts, new contacts. Okay, so at this point in time, let me just refresh this. Okay, so let me go back home. I forgot to even show you something. Let me click on submit entry again. Now you can see as at today already, this is 116 compiled contacts. That's January 20. So meaning like today now, 116 people have come to this website to submit their contacts. So you can be rest assured that today you're going to have about 116 new contacts. Once I download this, that will be saved on my phone. All right, if you know this video made an impact, so if you know you learned something, do not fail to forget value received and like this video, and also share this video on your various communities. So at 9 p.m. we'll see each other here when I will come back again to download it. So guys, this is like 9:40 p.m. already, so I will just have to go back to the site. Then at this point I will click download. So once I click download, it will ask me for password. Remember I told you that password I to show you need to save it. So I will just have to minimize and go to where I screenshotted it and copy it. So at this point, I will click on unlock download after pasting the password. Oh, invalid password. Let me just try and type it again. Okay. Oh, usually it's good to just copy it directly and paste it in your messenger or somewhere rather than screenshotting, because sometimes to get the exact characters, let me just see again, it's still showing me invalid password. I will just recopy. Let me be careful to do it well. Okay, usually it's good you copy this thing and paste, because I think I was mistaken I for L. That's a small letter L. So basically this is the password that I saved. So I thought this was an I, but I didn't know it was an L. So the more reason you just copy this and paste it somewhere so that you don't have to go through this stress of. So now that I've done that, I'll click on download. So I'll download the VCL file. So it has downloaded. I will just open it. So you can see it's asking whether you want to save it to your contact. So I'll just click on open. I'll click on, it depends. I use two apps. This is sorry for another day, but if you're using just your normal default phone contacts, it will ask you whether you want to save it directly to your contact. So I'll just click here and I'll click on just once. So it will ask you the email you want to save it. Select your email and you can see automatically the contacts are downloaded to my phone. So automatically I've saved those contacts. And as long as every other person does the same thing, they automatically save my contacts and everybody can get to see everybody's WhatsApp and everybody's business is moving. So guys, here is a short update for you. I hope it adds value to your marketing online. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like this video and share as well.